Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I am Saman Ijaz, your English instructor. This video lesson is for grade 3. So students, this is our novel assignment. So the name of our novel is 5 Go Adventuring Again. Students, previously kids met the two artists. George is suspicious about Mr. Rowland. Timothy was given punishment to stay out of the house in court. Now moving forward to our chapter 11, Stolen Papers. So in this chapter, the kids advised George to behave, but still he was in bad mood. He went out to spend time with Tim. Uncle Quentin called everyone that something is stolen. The secret formula is stolen. George was missing. He kept on asking, who went to the study to have my oil, as my oil was used. Anne at last told George, as she knew George oiled Timothy because he was ill. Now moving forward to our chapter 12, George in Trouble. So in this unit, kids, George told that pages from father's book are missing. George was quite surprised. She thought that it might be Mr. Rowland who took the page and broke the oil test tubes. But she was not sure. She kept on searching for the secret way. Chapter number 13, Julian Has a Surprise. So in this chapter, George is grounded in the room. Julian came to meet her. He told her that Mr. Rowland might have stolen the papers. Julian followed Mr. Rowland and he also found him the victim as he was roaming around at the current farmhouse. Julian hurried back home to tell others the news. Chapter number 14, The Secret Way at Last. So in this chapter, the kids creeped down the hall to the secret panel. They were going in, but suddenly heard creaking sound. They all went back. It was Mr. Rowland. He asked Julian and went down to follow the noises, but found nothing. When everyone was asleep again, they went back to explore the secret passageway at last. So students, these were our next 4 chapters. I hope you enjoyed learning it and listening to it. Now what you have to do is to read these chapters from your novel by your own self. I will meet you next time with another very interesting and amazing video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.